हम लोग एबी रोड पे खड़े हैं। तो सर, मुझे आपसे ये जानना है कि मोटर इंश्योरेंस क्या है और थर्ड पार्टी इंश्योरेंस में कैसे क्या रहेगा।
Well, my dear student, look at the traffic of Indore. This is AB road. Traffic is going at very high speed. Number of cars, scooters are moving here and there. And this is the area where zoo is located. And right now we are giving you a little bit scenery of zoo side area. And now let me tell you as what is the importance of motor insurance in India. See, this is the only insurance which is compulsory in India. If you have got any motorbike, two-wheeler or scooter, car, commercial vehicle, bus, whatever type of vehicle you are having, you are supposed to take insurance, at least third party cover, which is mandatory and compulsory. Unless you have this third party cover, you cannot move your vehicle on public place. Public place does not necessarily that it should be a highway or a street. Even place like this where we are moving is a garden area, it's a zoo area, it's a residency koti, but here also because public is available, public is having access, so it is known as public place. Even if you are plying your vehicle here on these type of roads, you are supposed to take third party insurance, which is mandatory and compulsory. Third party insurance means suppose we hit anybody, suppose we cause injury to anyone, or person may die because of our hitting the person. So risk is covered up to unlimited amount, whether there is injury or whether there is death due to road accident. This is a banyan tree, very old tree. You can see the size of tree. It should be more than 200 years old. So beautiful scenery is there. Now coming back to motor insurance, other than third party, we have comprehensive or package insurance where lot many risk is covered like accidental damage, fire, ignition, flood, storm, tempest, impact damage. So these are the risk where comprehensive or package policy is available. Comprehensive and package policy means third party as well as own damage cover. Both the covers are available under package policy. Now coming back to motor insurance, we have three categories. Number one, two-wheeler category where all two-wheelers are covered. Number two, private car. And number three, commercial vehicles. In commercial vehicles, we have goods carrying vehicle and passenger carrying vehicles. So all taxis, buses, auto rickshaws, these are commercial vehicles. Buses included in passenger vehicle. So this is the main category of vehicle. If some vehicle is not finding place in two-wheeler, two-wheeler, private car or commercial vehicle, then it will be included into miscellaneous vehicle. So this small introduction to motor vehicle, I hope you will like it. Motor insurance, third party insurance was made compulsorily in India from 1946 onward. Thank you students, thank you very much.